guys, it's Amy and I'm back for a brand new year of my hair is probably dirty. No, really. Yeah. Yes, I took a big break off for Thanksgiving and Christmas. But I'm back. I'm so proud of you guys and all the skills that you've learned just over the past few videos. If you haven't watched them, go watch them. They're fun. They're not the best quality, but still go watch them. Message me, comment below, all of your questions, because that's what I want to hear. I want to hear your problems so I can help fix them.
You're welcome. Now,
I know for the new year, a lot of you are going to want to go change that hair color. Some of you already did. So let's talk colors. Out of the wind. Now, if you want to change your hair color with just 5 foils, you gotta focus on a few things. Just 4. Dimension, placement. Wait, what? I thought I almost said dementia. Dimension, placement, cost, and diversity. All of these are very important if you want to get away with just doing 5 foils. All right, so listen up. A couple of you know I've started a new hobby over that break I took. Painting. If you don't follow me on Facebook, go look me up. Facebook/photographer Amy. Anyways, I've been painting a lot of happy trees. I know. My point for this is that it's pretty incredible what you can do when you add a little bit of light or a little bit of dark to your canvas. Yeah, I'm learning new things every day. So let's just consider all this your canvas, okay? Let's talk dimension. Now, when your hairdresser starts rattling off words like adding dimension, you might be just hearing upsell, upsell, upsell. And that's what I hear anytime I'm at a restaurant and they ask me if I want sweet potato fries.
I always want sweet potato fries.
And you also may feel like we are out to get every single penny that you earned this month, last month,
the month before, next month.
But guess what? Hairdressers are artists too. So if we're suggesting that you break up your brunette or your blonde, it might be that your hair is in desperate need of that breakup. Now the key. Why would you do that? No, as I said it, I heard it. No. These locked doors too, I get it. I get it. So the key is placement. If you want to get away with just doing 5 foils, placement is the key. Mainly think of where you part your hair. Now I part a little to the side, whether you part down the middle, zigzag, I don't care. Talk to your hairstylist about where you part your hair. Because the main 3 highlights are going to be right on your part. So for me, that's right here, 1, 2, and 3. Now the other 2 are going to sneak in right by your face. So 1 right here, 1 right here, right by your hairline. And that also helps you if you're going to wear a ponytail. It does break up where you have your hair pulled back. If you do that correctly, 3 on your part, 2 by your face, it is plenty enough to change up your entire hair color. Promise. The next thing is cost. What? You don't want to talk about cost?
No? Uncomfortable talking about money?
Well, guess what? You can call your salon and ask them. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, do you guys have a per foil pricing? I don't know, some crazy YouTube girl was talking about a per foil price.
Per foil?
Per foil? Like what? Do you do like just a...
Want a half or a...
No, I don't want a half or a full. Do you do like 5 foils?
Yeah.
Okay. See? Talk through what you want. Get the price first. That way you're not shocked at the receptionist at the end of your appointment. They don't deserve that because they didn't do your hair. Now, once they give you how much it is per foil, you can also ask how much it would be for 5 if you don't know how to add. Or just ask Siri. Now, the next step with cost, that's extremely important, ask what your grand total will be. Yeah, because when you want a new change, you probably want a hair...
eyebrow wax, your makeup done, a blow dry, styling, curling iron, extensions, feather, jewelry, necklaces.
Yeah, the list goes on and on. Now that you got that taken care of, right?
You're gonna call first.
Let's talk about diversity. For the 5 foil effect, you should probably only do about 4 to 5 shades of difference from what's already on your hair. I mean, that can still make a bold statement, but maybe don't go 10 shades high.
Maybe just don't.
Yeah. I mean, if you're looking for a very extreme look, sure, put black and platinum in the same thing. Have a ball. But if you want just a regular pop or dimension in your hair, just stick within a few shades so you can get a great color.
Okay.
Consider this. All right, if you have brunette hair, think about maybe doing like a dark cherry brown for the winter or like a light caramel brown in the summer. It's just an example. Now for my blondes. Are you listening?
Blondes.
Please don't consider the word low light a non-blonde term. It does not have to be. I know this is triggering for some of you when we ask if you want low lights. It does not mean we are going to put brown in your hair. A low light for a blonde can just be a different shade of blonde. Something to mix it up a little bit. You could be platinum with still a light pale blonde and get 2 different shades of blondes. I'm just saying, they're very committed to their blonde look. It can make your blonde look healthier and actually more vibrant by making your lighter blondes pop more. You're welcome. I practice what I preach. I myself do 5 foils. I know, mainly because I do it myself and I can't reach the back of my head to foil, so. The reason I say to do that top foil on the back crown part is so you can kind of push it back and it falls over the rest of your hair, creating a look of dimension. Now I'm going to leave you with this advice for changing your hair in the new year. Gather around, gather around. Okay, we're all here? Listen up. This is for anyone getting their hair dyed, and you change it all. Stop freaking out when your hair is wet. Just let it go. I almost sang, I didn't. Seriously, when we guide you from the shampoo bowl to the chair and you look in the mirror and you make these faces, yeah, we see that. But guess what? You don't wear your hair sopping wet, parted down the middle like when we're about to cut your hair. We gotta get through the cut before we can blow dry your hair. Now, if you're just doing these 5 foils and leaving, consider asking if they have time to just blow dry the top so you can in turn see your hair looks different dry than it does wet. I feel like I shouldn't have to say that. Your hair looks different dry than it does wet. You're welcome, hairstylists everywhere. Go ahead and share this video to your clients subtly. Maybe have it playing in the background at the salon. Yeah, you guys don't walk around with your hair sopping wet so that your clothes don't get sopping wet. So please don't act like the final look is what it looks like when your hair is parted down the middle, flat to your head, sopping wet, with a cape on. Just deep breaths, or just look down. Just don't look. Just don't look till we're done, till we tell you to look. Okay. Sorry.
That's triggering for me.
Alright, that concludes another episode of My Hair is Probably Dirty. I'm here to teach you anything you want to know. Goodbye. I feel like there should be leaves. You think your hair is only one dimension, that it is just some dead thing you can't change. But I know every single hair on your head. It has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who have hair color like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard your stylist cry, you need something new? Or ask that receptionist why they grinned? Can you please just trust the voices of your stylist and let us paint with all the colors of the wind? How high does the color brown go? Well, if you just sit down, you too could know. Have you ever asked your stylist, what should I do? Then shot us down while we just have to stand and grin. And can you please not ask the opinion of your 5-year-old? He'll just tell you you look like a poop shade of the wind. You can own your head and still all you own is hair until let us paint with all the colors of the wind. Or like maybe just one other shade of the wind. course not in it. Enroll in all the riches, and for once never wonder what they're worth. The heaven and the autumn are my friends.
You'll learn things you never knew.